Hello everyone, welcome back students. Standard 8 Subject English Section Grammar Unit 4 Topic Tenses. Let us solve the exercises and write the answers. Tenses. Introduction. Tenses are a form of verb that show the time, continuous or completion of an action or state that is expressed in connection with the moment at which a statement is made about it. A sentence is incomplete without a verb. The verb indicates the time of the action. This is called tenses. There are three main types of tenses: present, past, and future. Here is the classification of tenses. Tenses are used to express time. It tells us whether an action took place in the past, in the present, or will take in the future. Broadly speaking, there are three types of tenses. Present, when we talk of something that is happening or happens regularly. Past, when we talk of something that has already happened. Future, when we talk of something that will happen. Classification of tenses. Now see the classification of present tense, past tense and future tense according to the table. Simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Present continuous tense, past continuous tense, future continuous tense. Present perfect tense, past perfect tense, future perfect tense. And the last one, present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense. Now let us see how the tense is being used in simple continuous perfect or perfect continuous tenses. Present tense: I write, I am writing, I have written, I have been writing. You, we, they write. You, we, they are writing. You, we, they have written. You, we, they have been writing. He, she, it writes. He, she, it is writing. He, she, it has written. He, she, it has been writing. Now, present tense is over. Let us see past tense. I, you, we, they, he, she, it wrote. I am writing. You, we, they were writing. I, you, we, they, he, she, it have written. I, you, we, they, he, she, it have been writing. In this manner we write past tense sentences. Now let us consider future tense. I, you, we, they, he, she, it will write. I, you, we, they, he, she, it will be writing. I, you, we, they, he, she, it will have written. I, you, we, they, he, she, it will have been writing. Remember, I, we are generally followed by shall. A point, uses of present tense. Let us understand this in detail. Uses of simple present tense to show a habitual action, routine or habit. Example, I take a bath every day. Second point, to state a fact or universal truth. The sun rises in the east. Third point, to express a future event. Example, our examination begins next week. Second point, uses of the present continuous tense. To describe an action that is going on at the time of speaking. I am writing my notes. To express an action that is certainly going to happen in the near future. Example, we are going to Europe in the December. Third main point, uses of the present perfect tense. To show an action that just has been completed. I have written my notes. To talk about an action which started in the past and is still continuing. Example, I have lived in Mumbai for 14 years. I lived in Mumbai since 2004. Now last point, use of present perfect continuous tense. To show an action which started in the past but is still continuing. Example, the students have been working hard to complete the project. Now let us solve the exercise. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of simple present tense of the verb in bracket. First point, Akbar the Great dash to be known as one of the greatest rulers in the world. Answer is. Second point, the egg looks like a stone. Third point, my best friend ignores me. Fourth point, the chick learn many good things from its mother. Fifth point, thick cloud of smoke rise high. Sixth point, the trunk consists of wood. Now let's jump on to question number 2. Rewrite the following in present continuous sentence. The sun shines brightly. The sun is shining brightly. Second point, the hungry lion roar. The hungry lion is roaring. I baked a cake. I am baking. Fourth point, we elected Aditya as the captain. We are electing Aditya as the captain. Fifth point, we listen to radio today. We are listening to radio today. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate present perfect tense of the verb given in the bracket. First point, A has managed to get 3 bonus points in the finals. Second point, Kabaddi has become popular. Third point, the Paramveer Chakra has been awarded only 21 times till now. Fourth point, the volcano has erupted many times. Point number 5, eruptions have begun again. Point number 6, since 1950 this island has grown. Question number 4, rewrite the sentences into present perfect continuous tense. First one, A has managed to get their 3 bonus points in the finals. Second point, the volcano has erupted many times. Third point, since 1950 this island has grown. Now let us see the answers of this. First point, A has been managing to get 3 bonus points in the finals. Second point, the volcano has been erupting many times. Third point, since 1950 this island has been growing. Question number 5. Complete the following blanks with the form of present tense mentioned in the bracket. First point, my people are simple and hospitable. Second one, charity begins at home. Third, it reminds me of the soup made earlier. I have added just a few beans and onions. Fourth point, the traveler has guessed the secret of the soup. Fifth, you are doing a splendid job. You may have heard about a great human friend of ours, Dr. Salim Ali. Have you found a good answer to my question? Eighth point, my sister has been participating very hard for the competition. B point, use of the past tense. Use of the past tense to talk about a habitual action done in the past. Shaina played tennis every day. To talk about an action which is completed. The municipality demolished the illegal shop. Second point, use of the past continuous tense to show an action that was going on for something in the past and was completed in the past itself. She was preparing for her entrance test last. To show an action while narrating a story in the past. Example, the thief was hiding behind the bushes. Third point, use of the past perfect tense. It is used to denote an action completed in the past before action began. The train had left when we reached the station. Fourth point, uses of past perfect continuous tense. It expresses an action that has been going on for some time in the past. Example, the worker had been constructing the flyover for the last 5 years. Now let's move on to the exercise. Question number 6. Fill in the blanks with simple past tense of the verb given in the bracket. First one, Akbar was a patron of art and culture. Second point, when the match started, all the spectators clapped. Third point, the young man tore the fabric into two. Fourth point, the students brought several magazines. Fifth point, the wildlife grew naturally. Sixth point, she caught hold of his arm tightly. Question number 7, fill in the blanks with past continuous tense of the verb given in the bracket. They were studying the contents of the bottle. Second point, she was sweeping the kitchen. Third point, 3 things were missing. Fourth point, Antonio was waiting for his ships. And the last, fifth point, the two friends were resting their elbows on the doormat. Question number 8, fill in the blanks with past perfect or past perfect continuous tense of verbs given in the bracket. First point, the students had vowed to keep the school clean. Second point, the aircrafts had been flying low. Third point, she had released him from captaincy. Fourth point, the words have been written in letters of gold. And the last, fifth point, a bright idea had come into Alice's head. Question number 9, complete the sentences with the correct form of past tenses of the verb in the brackets. First point, the Akbar was relaxing with his courtiers when Birbal arrived. The peacock met the crane one day. Savitri Bai spoke several languages. Kyo was trained by a karate master. C point, uses of the future tense. First point, uses of the simple future tense. It is used to talk about events that are going to happen. Example, I will join the swimming class next week. Second point, use of future continuous tense. It is used to talk about an event that will continue in the near future. I will be continuing my classes next year. Third point, use of future perfect tense. It is used to tell about an event that will be completed in the future. I will have completed my karate course in the 3 years. Fourth point, use of future perfect continuous tense. It is used to express an action which will continue in the future. For example, I will have been completing my karate course when I reach the standard 10th. Exercise, fill in the blanks with the correct form of future tenses as given in the bracket. First one, we will be happy to wear it, but no one will wear it now. I will leave the next evening. Third point, we will not forget the lesson all our life. My people will welcome you with warmth. Question number 11, rewrite the sentences by changing the tenses of the verb as directed. First point, you may have heard about the legendary tales of our heroes. Second point, the underwater volcano threw up ash and rock. Third point, I had not travelled by plane before. Fourth point, the committee will identify the thieves. Fifth point, the sutar chose the gold casket. Sixth one, all our work will have been rewarded. 7. The land had been ruled by a king named Tripur. 8 point, whoever chooses me shall get as much as he deserves. And the last one, 9th point, the Paramveer Chakra has been awarded only 21 times so far. Intransitive. 13. The wicked king treated Danny is called as infinitive. Transitive. The sky was slightly cloudy.